Hello and welcome back to In the Kitchen with Matt. I am your host, Matt Taylor. Today, I'm going to show you how to make wings. Yummy. This oven-baked wing recipe is really easy, super basic, simple ingredients. I had a request to make wings, so here we go. That's what we're going to do. And what you can do is this could be a good starter recipe that you can later add different flavors to, like barbecue sauce, like honey golden or buffalo sauce, something like that. All right, really easy to do, simple ingredients. If I can do it, you can do it. Let's get started. All right, so first let's preheat the oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, I have 1/3 cup of all-purpose flour. I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of ground pepper, about 1 tablespoon of paprika, and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, or you could use garlic salt. If you use garlic salt, then you probably want to leave out the other salt. And if you want to add some heat, go ahead and do about 1/2 of a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. All right, now what we're going to do is we're going to take those ingredients and take a Ziploc bag here. Got my Ziploc bag. Let's go ahead and just put all those ingredients in there. And let's just go ahead and shake it all together. Yay. You could have just put them all in a bowl, like in a bigger bowl, and just whisk them together and then put them in the bag. Totally up to you. And now, what I do is I have my wings. At my supermarket, they just have a frozen thing of party wings, and it has little drumsticks and little wings. And so what I did is I let these thaw out, and then I dried them with paper towels so they're nice and dry. And then let's go ahead and put these in our bag. Okay, let's zip it up. And we're just gonna go ahead and just shake it so it gets the mixture all over the place. Perfect. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our sheet pan and put down some foil, or like an artisan mat like I have here, silicone mat, or do parchment paper. And this is just to make the cleanup a little easier. We're gonna add some butter. This is 3 tablespoons of melted butter. Oh yeah, butter, butter, butter. And then come in here to our bag. And then we're gonna grab our wings. Just put them on here, kind of coat them a little bit in the butter a little bit, like that. I'm telling you, this recipe is super duper easy. The prep work is super fast. And then you just let them bake. Pretty cool. And you can kind of shake off the excess in the bag. So again, I'm just gonna coat these a little bit in our melted butter. And then we want our wings to be separated on our pan a little bit. All right, I'm using 10 wings. You can do up to probably 12 or 13 with this amount of dry mixture. And then we're gonna go ahead and bake these for 30 minutes in the oven, 425 Fahrenheit. And then at 30 minutes, we're gonna flip them over to the other side and bake them for another 15 minutes until they get nice and crispy. On to that step. And when they come out of the oven, they will look like this. And then we're gonna just let them cool for a little bit before you can enjoy them. Oh yeah, it smells really, really good. Now, if you wanted to add a barbecue sauce, what you would do is about 10 minutes before they're done, you would go ahead and baste them with your sauce and then bake them the rest of the 10 minutes. I'll probably do another recipe or another video at a different time with different kinds of flavorings for the wings. But this is a great basic recipe to start with. All right, our oven-baked crispy wings are done. Turned out fantastic. Really easy to do, simple ingredients. If I can do it, you can do it. I'm Matt Taylor. This has been another episode of In the Kitchen with Matt. Thank you for joining me. As always, if you have any questions or comments or requests, put them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thumbs up, down the corner, push it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Take care. Time for me to dive into a piece. Oh yeah. Dip it in this barbecue sauce. Mmm.